Aloha everyone. So today I'm out previewing a property for one of my clients, and while I'm here I figured I'd give you a tour as well. Today we're at Honua Kai Resort and Spa. It's the newest short-term rental resort property on all of Maui, with the last phase just being completed in 2020. We're located in Kaanapali, north of Black Rock, and we're going to be taking a look at a studio unit with a beautiful ocean view, as you can see behind me. If you stick around towards the end of the video, we'll also talk about what the rental income expectations are in our current market, and we'll take a look at some of the common areas. Let's jump right into it. All right, so for this property, we're going to start with the beautiful ocean view from the lanai. This is Unit 719 in the Hokulani Tower of Honua Kai. So you have that fantastic ocean view. We're inner courtyard here. I'm just going to pan the camera down to give you an idea of what's below us. That is the second floor lanai terrace that you're seeing there. It's a shared common area. We can also see Duke's restaurant from here. So that's the rooftop of Duke's right there as I zoom in. And of course we're overlooking one of the three beautiful pool areas here at the resort. You can actually hear live music, Hawaiian music, coming from Duke's right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look at the inside. So again, it is a studio unit. Very comfortable, around 600 square foot. I believe it's 595. You have your king bed there, as well as a pull-out couch, so you can travel with more people if you like. As always here at Honua Kai, we have the full kitchen, so full-size refrigerator, stove and oven, microwave and dishwasher, all stainless steel Bosch appliances. So you have all the conveniences of home in your vacation rental property. These backsplashes are typical of Honua Kai, so you're going to see that a lot in these units. And I'm just going to spin around so you can see the ocean view from inside the unit. So this is the ocean view standing in the kitchen. All right, continuing on, we'll head over to the bathroom. Straight ahead here, that's the entrance into the unit. And I'll spin around into the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom, does have a single vanity and both a stand-up glass shower as well as a tub. So you do have the bathtub in this unit. Couple more things to take a look at here. You do have your washer and dryer in unit. Again, Bosch. That is a closet that is currently full of beach gear for guests. This would be the closet for clothes, that sort of thing for guests. And right here is a locked owner's closet. So for the owners, they have their own closet that they can lock up and leave things here while they're renting it out. Before we dive into the rental income expectations, let's take a quick look at some of the common areas just to see how busy the resort is right now. We're starting in the grand lobby area of the Hokulani Tower, and now we're walking up to the koi pond in the interior courtyard of Hokulani. This is just a quick shot of one of the pool areas. This is the area with the water slide and waterfall. And Duke's restaurant. You can't see it from this angle, but the restaurant is pretty full. And so is the infinity pool. And of course, any tour of Honua Kai just wouldn't be complete without going to take a look at the beach. So this is one of the many entrances on the boardwalk to Kaanapali Beach, right in front of Honua Kai. As you can see, we are seeing more and more people coming out and enjoying this stretch of beach, which is a really good sign for our recovery. Okay, so let's talk about the rental income and what you can expect as far as that's concerned. Now, we need to qualify all of our rental income moving forward as the income that we saw before the Lahaina fire. So we're definitely in a feeling out period of exactly what the rental income is going to be moving forward. Most people expect the rental income to return to normal somewhere in the next 6 to 12 months. But for this property, prior to the fire, we would have expected a gross rental income of around $150,000 per year. That being said, after you factor in the HOA dues, estimated utilities, insurance, and property taxes, the estimated cash flow is going to be right around $77,000 per year. Of course, this rental income statement is based on an all-cash purchase, so any sort of leverage like a mortgage would be an additional expense on top of this cash flow. It's also important to point out that there are some issues with the HOA that makes it difficult to get mortgages within the Honua Kai community. If you want any additional information on the situation with the HOA, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to provide those disclosures. And of course, when it comes to rental income, past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, so as far as pricing, this property is listed for $1.6 million. The last Ocean View studio to sell in Hokulani Tower sold for $1.575. So the pricing is in alignment with recent comps for a property with this view plane and this square footage. Now, this property is probably going to sell in the first week. I do know there's already an offer in on it. So this tour might be a little bit of a tease, but I promise there will be more properties coming available just like this. So if you're interested in properties like this at Honua Kai or anything similar, feel free to give me a call, text, or email. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. That's it for the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.